guys, and welcome. My Glossybox is here. It's actually been here for a week. But, I've been rather busy, yeah. So 4 videos to do today. Glossybox is one of them. But before we dive in, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you like all things beauty, like our YouTube family does, then hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join us. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, make sure you've got the kettle on, you pulled up a chair, and let's go. So yes, Glossybox. If you are unfamiliar with Glossybox, it is a monthly beauty subscription. I will put all the details down below and a link to their website just in case you want to have a look. No, this video isn't sponsored and I pay for my subscription with my own money. Yeah, there's that little bit out of the way. So like I said, I do apologise, this has been sitting here a week, but I've gone from working part-time nights to full-time days. So it's been a crazy week. It's been an absolutely amazing week, but it's been crazy. So yes, that's what it looks like inside. It's always well presented, and they've changed the sticker. It says open me, which is quite cute. And this month it appears that the theme is called Wonderland, which is cool, and they have gone back to their e-magazine. So you open your camera, just place it over the QR code and it will come up with the magazine. You kind of click little magazine icon and there we go. So yes, I've done that already and I've kind of screenshotted it. So I do apologise, we are working from my phone, which does make things a little bit more difficult, but it's okay. We're going to dive in and then I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek, like I always do. Oh, it looks like we've got a treat on the top there. And before we go into the products in the box, I will show you what the sneak peek is next month. And like I said, I do apologise, it is on my phone. It doesn't always show up properly, so I will pop it on the screen, what it is as well. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. And there we go. And I think I have used this before and I quite liked it. So I'm looking forward to it. But like I said in previous boxes, it looks small. So yeah. We will see. We will see what it looks like when it turns up. So let's dive in. And the first item I'm going to go for, which was the sneak peek from last month, and I think it's from the brand Elikya Beauty, and it's the Illuminator Natural Vegan, and it's a liquid highlighter. Now this is a really bright pink. Yeah, I don't know how we're going to get on with this, but I'm going to give it a shake and we're going to give it a swatch. Wow. Oh, and as per usual, I always squirt too much out. Absolutely always. So yeah, I quite like that. Oh, that is very pink. I think to me that's not really going to be a highlighter. It's going to be kind of like a very glowy liquid blush, but yeah, because it is very, very pink. That isn't going to suit everybody either, which is a bit frustrating. If it was a bit lighter, it wouldn't be as bad. It's kind of like a serum-y, kind of like jelly kind of formula. So yeah, and it's dried down. That's kind of what it looks like when it's all blended out, and it's a bit sticky. So yeah, I will see how I get on. Those kind of products I don't tend to reach for very often. Sorry, I'm just pulling out a wipe. Yeah, I don't tend to reach them very often, but I will probably pop it in my everyday makeup drawer next month. So I'm going to pop that to one side. Let's see what Glossybox has said. Like I said, I do apologise. I am referring to my phone. And they said this item is full size. It's the Rose Liquid Highlighter and it's retails at £12.80. So that's not bad value. And it says it's an all-natural highlighter enriched with essential hibiscus oil, which is cool. But like I said, it's very pink for a highlighter. This lightweight formula immediately adds a luxurious rosy glow to your skin. Simply apply the subtle pink highlighter to the high points of your face for a sun-kissed shine. Now, I don't think that's a subtle pink. I think that's a rather kind of dark pink, but okay. Or if you want to take your base up a gear, try mixing a few drops in with your foundation for a subtle finish. I probably won't use it that way. Like I said, I will try it as a highlighter or kind of like a glowy blush, but I will see how I go with it. Now the next item in here, I'm going to open it up out the box, but I'm not going to open it right up. It's from the brand, I think it's KNDR Beauty, and it's a mood stick. Now this is like one of those tinted lip balms that change depending on the pH of your lips. I don't get on with these very well just because they always go bright pink and I don't seem to use them. So here's the packaging. I'll just roll it up. It's a nice cardboard packaging. So as you can see, it looks blue, but when you apply it to your lips, it will change colour. It's kind of like got like a deck of cards around there. I really like this. It's really, really nice. You've got KNDR written there. But yeah, like I said, they all just go bright pink and it just doesn't work with my skin tone. So that one I'm going to pop by for a future giveaway. And let's see what Glossybox have said. And they said it's from the brand KNDR Beauty. It's full size and it retails at £17. So that's another good value item. And it said this is no ordinary lipstick. This colour shifting lipstick transforms just for you from shade Never Blue to a pH perfect tone for your lips, changing colour right before your eyes. Bright blue turns into a beautiful baby pink. Mine never go baby pink. They go like bright flamingo pink and it just doesn't, I don't like it. It always leaves a sheer luxe finish that hydrates your lips from dawn till dusk. So yeah, it probably is really nice, but you know, I'm not gonna try it. I will pop it by for somebody else to try. The next item we have here is from the brand Magnitone London, and it's the Wipeout, and it's the amazing microfibre cleansing cloth, and it removes makeup with just warm water. Now I like these because I use these to remove my makeup with my cleansing balm, and I think these are absolutely fabulous. This is so soft, and I just go in with my cleansing balm and then dampen the cloth down and then go all over the face, and this is going to be really, really nice. I do recommend washing these first because they are fluffy and you can get sort of like fibres stuck, so I always wash them. And this looks a bit, I don't know, a bit roughly thrown together. It's not properly stitched in there, but I will see how it goes. But yeah, I definitely like those. I don't think I've got a large one of these from Magnitone. I have the small round cloths that I don't particularly use very much. This is full size and it retails at £8, so it's another quite good value item. And it says ditch the wasteful face wipes for a good and instead opt for this Wipeout microfibre cleansing cloth. It's not very worded very well. It's super soft, but the ability to remove even the toughest, most long wear makeup. Now I have got a shed load of makeup on my face today, so I will pop this in the wash after I finish recording and give it a go this evening, and I will get back to you in the future. And it says, with just warm water, you'll wonder what you ever did before owning this must-have tool. When used, just wash and reuse thousands of times too. So that's cool. They are a lot better for the environment. There's no sort of wasting money on, you know, one-use cloths that you're just going to throw away. They don't degrade, so these are absolutely fabulous. So yes, I like that. The next item we have got is from the brand James Reed, and it says the Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Body Tan. It's 100 mils in here. There we go. Oh, I don't think I've used this before. I'm going to open it up and give it a bit of a sniff. It doesn't really smell of anything. I'm not a massive tanner, but if this is sort of like something that you can rub on and it sort of builds up gradually. And Glossybox has said this is full size. And it says develop a natural looking sun-kissed glow with this tanning essential developing through the night during your skin's most receptive hours. So that's cool. It expertly transforms into a light sun-kissed hue that can be built upon for a more intense colour. Plus this fast drying formula is colourless too, so keep your bed sheets and PJs clean. That's absolutely fabulous. I quite like the idea of that. And it is full size and it's valued at £21, so that's not bad value either. So yeah, I'm going to give this a go. My bed sheets are actually quite dark, so I wouldn't really notice if it kind of transfers onto it. But yeah, but the only problem with this is that I shower every day. So would it come off? Am I going to have to use it every day? We will see. We will see what happens. Right, the next item I have got in here is from the brand Bubble Tea, and it's the Peony and Cherry Blossom Shower Gel, and it says the Restoring Shower Gel in Peony and Cherry Blossom fragrance. There's 100 mils. Let's see if it's sealed. Yes, it is sealed. I've got quite a few shower gels on the go at the moment, and I think, does it look fantastic? We recently got, I think it's like a lavender one, and it I really didn't like it very much. Oh, yeah, that is quite sweet. It's not overly floral, but it's sweet. But I will try it out. And that is an either or. So I got that one, which is full size and values at £5. Or you could get the, I think it's from the brand Belu, shower foam, which values at £3.99. But this one, it says, containing a calming sweet floral fragrance accompanied by essential oils to aid relaxation. Using this body wash, you'll be whisked away to Wonderland. Well, that's nice, and they're tying it into the Wonderland theme. Not only this, uplifting shower gel also cleanses, hydrates and moisturizes, leaving behind skin that's enveloped in a sweet scent that feels velvety soft too. Yeah, I really do like when I've sort of rinsed off my shower gel, that your skin is just feeling really nice and soft. Yes, and the last item in the box is from the brand Mallow Marsh, and it's the Vanilla Marshmallow Bar coated in milk chocolate. Now, I might nibble on this while I'm editing a bit later with a nice cup of tea. How many calories is in this? Per bar, 134 calories. That's not too bad. There's 35 grams in here. I quite like that. I'm not a massive marshmallow eater, but it is a nice kind of sweet treat. And Glossybox have even popped a little thing in here. You would either get that, or you would get, I think it's the Raffaello, one of the bars, which is quite cool. They said it's full size. They've not said what its value is at, but it says, for some glossies, beneath the lid of this month will be a vanilla marshmallow bar from Mallow and Marsh, whilst others will be a pack of indulgent Raffaello. It says, definitely light and fluffy. This Mallow and Marsh bar consists of vanilla marshmallow coated in velvety smooth Belgian chocolate. On the other hand, the Raffaello surprises with a delicate combination of different layers, crunchy white almond surrounded by a velvety smooth cream in a crispy water shell covered with coconut flakes. It says, whichever you receive, it'll be a truly tasty addition to your monthly unboxing, and it certainly is. I quite like that. As you can see, my box is now empty, so we will just run through what we got. So we got the, I think it's the Elikya Beauty, we got kind of like the pink highlighting drops. Not overly sure on these. I will give them a go, but you know, kind of not, they are a bit pink for me. From the brand KNDR Beauty, we've got the pH changing lipstick. It's kind of like, it looks blue, but it will change colour depending on the pH of your lips. Put that by for a giveaway because I really don't get on with them very well. We've got the James Reed Gradual Tan, so it's a sleep mask body tan. I'm going to give it a go. I'm hoping I don't rock up to work looking orange, but I will try it. And I'm in healthcare, so I wash my hands all the time, so I would end up with a tan from like here upwards, and this would be my normal kind of skin colour, so I'll try it. Also got the Bubble Tea Peony and Cherry Blossom Shower Gel. I will give it a go. Shower gel is always handy, but we do seem to kind of get a lot of them. From the brand Magnitone London, we've got the Wipeout, the amazing microfiber cleansing cloth. I'm going to give this a go this evening. I love these, and this is so soft, so yeah. And on the back of the box as well, it shows you exactly how to use it, which is cool. And for a tasty treat while I'm editing, I've got a marshmallow bar. Now I can't complain. A nice tasty treat. So yeah. Let me know if you get Glossybox, what kind of options you got. Did you get the bubble tea and the mallow, or did you get something else? I would love to know. And drop me a comment let me know what you think of this month's box. I think on the whole it wasn't too bad. We have seen better boxes. We are getting more fuller size items, which is absolutely fabulous, and we kind of got a mixed variety. So, you know, I'm not overly mad at it. I'm not over the moon, but I'm not mad. So yeah. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.